All of us have sales goals and we want to achieve that, but we don't know how to structure it so that we can make sure that we are achieving our goal. In this video, I am going to give you a framework on how you can have a particular sales goal and you can achieve it with confidence. Greetings, this is Subramanian, author of the book Anybody Can Sell and Sales for Startups. You are watching my video series of my second book, Sales for Startup, and today we are going to discuss on chapter number 4, which is 30, 60, 90 days plan. If you like the video, please share it with your friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. So what is this 30, 60, 90 day plan? Let's take one goal, one sales goal. For example, you want to win 3 customers within 90 days. Okay, 3 customers within 90 days. Let's split this 90 days into 12 weeks. For convenience, we'll keep it 12 weeks, right? So what you do is, you take post-its, 12 post-its, and write down week 1, week 2, week 3 for all the 12 post-its. Okay, prepare 12 post-its. Your goal is to win 3 customers by end of 90 days. To win a customer, first you should have a meeting with a prospect. Okay, so in every week, write down the first point as meet 3 prospects. You are writing this in all the 12 weeks. Okay, every week you are going to meet 3 prospects. How we are getting 3 prospects, that is a separate thing. You have to take care that you find 3 leads and meeting them, either face-to-face meeting or a video meeting. You are meeting 3 prospects. This you are doing every single week. Okay, then action number 2. In week 2, write down that you will send at least 2 proposals. Week 2, you have to send 2 proposals. So in first week, you are meeting 3 prospects. In second week, you are meeting 3 prospects. Within the 6 prospects, at least you should send 2 proposals. So similarly, week 2, week 4, week 6, week 8, week 10, and week 12, bullet point number 2 is send 2 proposals. Okay, so when imagine in the week 2 you sent only 1 proposal. So when you reach week 4, take care that you sent 3 more proposals. So by end of week 4, your cumulative target is achieved, because by end of week 4 you would have already met 12 prospects. From 12 prospects, at least you should send 4 proposals. So overall, you are sending 6 every week. Every 2 weeks you are sending 2 proposals, right? So in week 12 you are sending, the end of week 12 you already sent 12 proposals. Okay, that is action number 2. And in week 4, write down that you close 1 deal. Okay, in week 4 you have to close 1 deal. So week 2 you have sent 2 proposals. Week 4, within week 4 you have sent 2 proposals. You have already sent 4 proposals. Take care that by end of 4th week you already closed at least 1 deal. If you are not able to close 1 deal in the 4th week, because say for example the deal closure is happening on the 5th or 6th week, but when you come to week 8, take care that you already closed 2 deals. So in week 4, 8 and 12 you should write down close 1 deal. So by end of 12th week you would have closed 3 deals. Okay, it may look very simple, but actually what we are giving is, we are giving a framework to our mind. Rather than getting up and doing some sales action, now you are telling your mind was, this week your goal is every week you have to give 3 prospects. When a week 2 come, I should take care that I would have met 6 prospects in the last 2 weeks. At least I should have sent 2 proposals. So when you have a chunk down goal, so what you are doing is, you are taking the bigger goal of getting 3 customers and you are making it into smaller pieces, and week on week you are working on it. It's very simple, my friends. I learned this 30, 60, 90 days framework from my good friend Suresh Babu a few years back, and I did the exercise in his program, SSI program. And you know what, after 90 days I achieved 84% of my target. It was not 100%, but I achieved 84% of my target, which was very, very good. So now I follow this for my own sales, and I teach this for my own participants. It's a very simple technique. It can easily be implemented. All you need is only a discipline. Make a plan and stick to the plan. If you want to know more details about this particular 30, 60, 90 days plan, you can read my book, Sales for Startup, chapter number 4, or you can attend my annual Sales Excellence program where I will be talking about this particular plan. Creating plan alone is not enough, my friends. Are we sticking to our plan and executing it? That is what is very important, right? A lot of people write plans and they don't follow it because there will be a lot of challenges. But in spite of challenges, if you stick to your plan, trust me, you may not achieve 100%, but you may end up at 90 or 80 or 75%. That is very, very good than zero, right? The key is you should have only one goal, okay? If you want another goal, you should create another 30, 60, 90 day plan and follow it. But within the same plan, don't have multiple goals. Here our goal is very simple in this example. Win 3 customers in 90 days, right? If you have any doubts and you want a one-to-one consulting session with me, it will be a paid consulting session. You can write a mail to me in this mail ID given here in the video. If you want to attend the annual Sales Excellence program, visit www.subbu.co and go back and see all my previous video of my first book, Anybody Can Sell. There are 18 videos, and the second book I already uploaded 3 videos. Please watch that and benefit and do a lot of sales. And wish you all be very, very successful. Thank you for watching this video.